Hi guys, here is the honest review of AI Ninja Kit. World's first, complete newbie-friendly technology that lets you tap into 200 plus passive income streams, using artificial intelligence for any offer and niche, with zero prior skills or experience using 200 plus business boosting AI tools, to skyrocket your business growth in a cost-effective manner. Watch how you too can say goodbye to feeling envious of your competitors' success and make $238 each day with no prior tech or marketing skills. 100% ChatGPT-4 powered AI technology that works seamlessly on all devices. Get 200 plus premium, result-oriented AI business tools at the price of one. Instantly create Jasper, copywriter.ai style content and sell to hordes of hungry audiences. First to market, all-in marketing kit to manage all your business needs from one dashboard. Create 200 plus passive income streams and secure your financial future. 48 real beta testers made $238 daily with zero prior tech or marketing skills. Get the first mover advantage and crush your competition. Get real results using result-generating AI prompts instead of using complex prompts. Say goodbye to wasting time logging into multiple AI apps once and for all. Use artificial intelligence to create and sell attention-grabbing marketing assets to hungry audience globally. Nothing to download, install, or customize. Get started in seconds. Limited time commercial license included. 100% easy to use, newbie-friendly technology. Ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee included. Get premium, never offered before bonuses worth $6,658 with your access today. Using these powerful 200 plus artificial intelligence tools. Simple 3-step process. Step 1. Login. To get started, just log into this exciting technology, and let us put your business growth on steroids. Step 2. Create. Now, use the immensely powerful 200 plus artificial intelligence-based tools to grow your business and skyrocket leads, sales and profits. Step 3. Profit. That's it, you're all set to rock and roll. Get ready to witness a tornado of sales like this coming in without doing any grunt work yourself. Here are some of the countless beta users who used AI Ninja Kit to outclass the competition and grow their business. Our real beta testers made commissions like this each day. Now even you can make the same using AI Kit. All this and more without paying exorbitant fees for complicated tools. Without running after money-oriented freelancers. Without turning your hair gray doing everything yourself. Without paying huge fees, monthly to expensive copywriters. Without hiring costly content writers or video creators. Without depending on existing third-party platforms etc. once and for all. Without waiting weeks for results. Without doing any manual work. Without having any prior experience. Use AI Ninja Kit to skyrocket your business growth and take a giant leap over your competitors once and for all. Say goodbye to using complex AI tools that never deliver results. Say goodbye to using complex AI tools that never deliver results. Say goodbye to your marketing managers. Say goodbye to your virtual assistants. Say goodbye to your existing email marketing subscription. Say goodbye to using outdated Amazon product descriptions. Say goodbye to your content creation platform. Say goodbye to your image creation technology. Say goodbye to third-party video creation tools. Say goodbye to your email subject line creator. Say goodbye to using articles that no one prefers to read. Say goodbye to your freelance blog writer. Say goodbye to your Facebook ads manager. Say goodbye to your YouTube content creator. Say goodbye to your social media manager. Say goodbye to your customer support analyst. Say goodbye to your push notification platforms. If you purchase the product from the link in the description box, I am going to provide a free bonus. In order to get that bonus, you can contact me on my Instagram and send me a screenshot of your purchase and I will send you the bonus. AI Ninja Kit is built for everyone. Expensive apps that charge like crazy. Website owners, digital product sellers, affiliate marketers, social media marketers, e-com store owners, SaaS business owners, email marketers, influencers, video marketers, small business owners, bloggers and vloggers, coaches or trainers, and almost everyone else working in the digital marketing universe. Here's just a few of the countless benefits that AI Ninja Kit brings on the table for business owners globally. Create descriptions for Amazon products that rank on the first page of the search results. Write engaging product titles that will make your product stand out in a sea of competition. Build notification messages for your apps, websites, and mobile devices that keep users coming back for more. Create enticing article/blog introductions that capture the attention of your audience. Rephrase your content in a different voice and style to appeal to different readers. Create professional-looking emails with enticing subject lines that help you engage leads and customers. Write catchy and convincing headlines to make your Facebook ads stand out from the rest. Creating ads with unique and appealing titles that entice people to click on your ad and make purchase. Professional and eye-catching ad descriptions that will make your product shine. Build attention-grabbing, click-inducing, and high-converting ad headlines for LinkedIn. Rewrite your existing content to include more keywords and boost your search engine rankings. Engaging and persuasive stories that will capture your readers' attention and interest. Generate cool, creative, and catchy names for your startup in seconds. Write short, simple, and informative points for the subheadings of your article. Extend short sentences into more descriptive and interesting ones. Change the tone of your writing to match your audience and copy. Generate tweets using AI that are relevant and on trend. Catchy and persuasive YouTube descriptions that help your videos rank higher. Video outlines that are a breeze to create and uber engaging. Catchy titles that attract more views and increase the number of shares. And tons of other benefits when you grab your copy today. Top 6 reasons why every successful business owner needs AI Ninja Kit right now. First to market, 201 marketing kit for the price of peanuts. Create Jasper, copywriter. AI-like content without actually paying monthly. Create 200 plus passive income streams from a single dashboard. Say goodbye to wasting time logging into multiple AI apps once and for all. Our beta testers made real money using this exact same technology. Get 30-day ironclad money-back guarantee. Act now and get 12 fast action bonuses worth $6,658 with your access today. Fast action bonus 150 DFY ChatGPT 3 sales email creation prompts. Value, $197. Fast action bonus 2. 50 DFY ChatGPT 3 high converting SMS prompts. Value, $197. Fast action bonus 3. 50 DFY ChatGPT 3 WhatsApp message prompts. Value, $297. Fast action bonus 4. 50 ChatGPT DFY templates for quotes. Value, $97. Fast action bonus 5. 50 ChatGPT DFY templates for social network posts. Value, $297. Fast action bonus 6 social media lower thirds pack. Value, $197. Fast action bonus 7. Social media hand-drawn sticker. Value, $297. Fast action bonus 8 product launch masterclass. Value, $297. Fast action bonus 9. DFY transparent call to action button pack. Value, $297. Fast action bonus 10. Product launch playbook. Value, $197. Fast action bonus 11 how to make 10K in 90 days. Value, $197. Fast action bonus 12. Complete guide in using ChatGPT templates. Value, $197. Fast action bonus 13 Immerse toolkit. Value, $197. Your purchase is covered with our ironclad 30 days money back guarantee. For limited time only, grab it today for $17 only one time.